Hey everyone, greetings from the Microsoft Azure SQL Product Group. I'm Mladen and I'm very excited to invite you to SQL Day 2025 in Wrocław, Poland. This is one of the biggest database conferences in Europe, and this year we have prepared something very special for you.
Hi, I'm Danny, and with my amazing colleagues, we'll be delivering a full-day workshop called Becoming an Azure SQL DBA, advancing the role of the SQL Server DBA in the cloud. So, if you're a SQL Server DBA, this workshop is designed exactly for you to help you transition smoothly into the world of Azure SQL. Welcome to our workshop.
My name is Sasha. In our workshop, we will cover many relevant topics such as high availability, business continuity and disaster recovery, security, connectivity, and much more of what you need to level up your DBA and cloud DBA skills.
And I am Strahinja, and we can't wait to see you at SQL Day 2025. So make sure to join us in Wrocław for great sessions, lovely networking, and of course, our workshop. Don't miss this chance to boost your Azure SQL DBA skills. See you at SQL Day!